3, 2, 1. Ding ding.
And the first toss is by Hope. Come on, Hope. Throw him back. Get up there closer and throw him at him. Oh!
1 0, 1 0.
You got all the ammo.
Throw it. Nope.
That wouldn't have.
Foot violation.
Football.
Pick up the planes and throw them back. Quick, run up on him. Run up on him. Don't pass Mark, though. Oh, pick up the planes. Pick up the planes. Quick, throw them back. Throw them back. Oh! How does it feel to beat up on a little 5-year-old? It's pink. Oh!
That was like a headshot.
That was a headshot. Nice.
1 point. So 2-1.
Yeah.
2-1 with a headshot.
3-1.
Oh, come on, Hope. Get another headshot. Another headshot. Oh.